Let's look at the syllable XUE. At the beginning of the word, we have the letter X, which is pronounced xi, and then we have a U. This U is an umlaut, like a sound that we have in German or in French. It's U, U. So we basically want to say E, but we make our mouths look like we want to say U. So E, E, U, U, U. So far, so good. We have shu. We have to combine these two sounds, xi and yu. Shu, shu, shu. And now at the end of the word, we still have another vowel. It's e. So we have to, these two sounds, u and e, have to merge together. So it's ue, ue. So when our mouth is pronouncing u, it's very round. It's almost closed. It's very round. U. Now we start to open it slowly. It will slowly open and stretch and make the sound e. So it's going to be ue, ue, xue, xue, xue.